Uttar Pradesh has become the seventh state to be hit by bird flu. Kanpur Zoo has been shut after bird flu was confirmed in 2 dead fowls. Between Jan 2nd and 7th, 4 red jungle fowls had died while 6 had been culled at the zoo on suspicion of having dreaded avian flu, and they later tested positive for the same. The area around the zoo has been declared a red zone. Delhi government is also on alert, has banned import of live birds. Over 1,200 birds were found dead across the country on Saturday from across Punjab, UP, Haryana, Rajasthan, Kerala and Maharashtra. Culling has begun in poultry farms of Haryana's Panchkula. As many as 900 hens have died at a poultry farm in Parbhani district of Maharashtra.
हमारी सरकार ने, हमारे विभाग ने 24 नवंबर को ही एक आदेश जारी कर दिया था पूरे प्रदेश के सारे जू में, सारे डिवीज़न को, कि जिस तरीके से माइग्रेटरी बर्ड के थ्रू ये फैलने की संभावना बनी रहती है, इसके लिए पूरी तरीके से सबको सतर्क कर दिया गया है। और जैसे अभी कानपुर में कुछ इस तरह की संभावना बनी तो हमने कानपुर को पूरी तरीके से बंद कर दिया है और पूरी तरीके से सैनिटाइजेशन उसका हो रहा है। इसी तरीके से जहाँ भी कोई संभावना होगी पूरी सतर्कता हम बरत रहे हैं और मुझे पूरा भरोसा है कि आने वाले दिन में हम जल्दी ही इस पर काबू पा लेंगे।
दिल्ली के अंदर लाइव बर्ड्स के इंपोर्ट पे आज से कंप्लीट बैन लगाया जा रहा है। बाहर से कोई भी लाइव बर्ड्स इंपोर्ट नहीं अलाउ किए जाएंगे। और दूसरा, गाजीपुर पोल्ट्री मार्केट जो है दिल्ली की, उसको 10 दिन के लिए बंद किया जा रहा है।
Kamaljeet is now joining us live for the very latest on this. Kamaljeet, what has been the advisory now to the entire country for that matter? Because you've got 7 states now that have been impacted by avian flu.
Well, the alarm bells have already set with 7 states reporting avian bird flu. So this is obviously a major cause of concern. Now remember, states like Delhi who have sent 104 samples for testing, the results of which are expected by tomorrow. Meanwhile, Gazipur Mandi has been closed, especially the poultry segment has been closed. And that is where a key concern is. Live import birds, they've been stopped. We know that after Kanpur, Lucknow has closed its avian section in the zoo. So measures have been taken in, but the word of caution is, and we've seen bird flu happening in the country much earlier, but with a number of reports coming in from various parts of the country about dead poultry, crows, birds, there seems to be an alarm, and that is why the states themselves are exercising caution. One is that cook the food extremely at a high degree centigrade, at least 100 degrees high. Ensure that whatever you're eating is extremely cooked. Any sort of raw intake is now something which should be avoided at all cost. So these are measures, but perhaps many of the states, especially if Haryana, Punjab, now nearby Delhi, all these are the ones who are now looking into this aspect extremely closely. And remember, this seems to be like a double whammy because states are already suffering from COVID, and now there is a bird flu, which is a massive scare now in the country.
All right, leave it at that. Thanks so much for joining us with the latest details right there, Kamaljeet.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.